Alright, what's up guys, and I hope you're doing great. Now if you clicked on this video, then there's a 99% chance that you're going to make a big change in your life. And that's because you're willing to take action. And trust me, your future self will thank you for that. Now you're here because you're serious about getting better in calisthenics. You want to learn impressive skills in the shortest time. You want to transform your physique, become more lean and fit at home. And most importantly, you want to see immediate results. And you also want your friends and other people to come up to you and be like, wow, damn, that's impressive. Now, unfortunately, calisthenics can be extremely difficult and complicated, especially if you don't have the right guidance to help you progress fast, or you simply just don't know where to start. And sadly, this can cost you months or even years of wasted potential without making any progress. And trust me, you don't want to be there. So, what is the secret to skyrocket your progress and see results faster? I mean, people ask me, how did I learn the handstand in 3 weeks? How did I get the planche in 2 months? How did I learn the muscle up in few days? And how did I transform my physique within few months? The answer is, I made smart changes in my training program, and I created powerful programs which started getting me results immediately. And not just me, but my clients as well. Their progress was just insane. But now, I want to help you, which is why I'm very excited to present to you my app which I have created. And it has the best calisthenic programs, which will help you start calisthenics from zero and teach you the best skills in the shortest time. And on top of that, every week there will be a new skill or challenge to learn, and that will boost your progress even faster. So just imagine your progress within a month, let alone within 3 or 6 months. I mean, just take a look at all the members on the app. They're unlocking new skills and progressing at a very fast rate, so you can be next. I also provide you with a nutrition guide and a mental training program to set you up for success. But most importantly, I'm going to be there on the app right by your side to mentor you through your journey and make sure that you're making progress and seeing results. Now, all members on the app are getting better and improving every single day. Don't miss this opportunity because you can be the next success. So start your 7-day free trial. You have nothing to lose, there's zero cost, and you'll see why people's lives are changing. If you have any questions, you can message me on my Instagram. Otherwise, thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to start training with you on my app. See you there.